Range is not a set number. Even your range has a range. Your range has a maximum, a minimum, and an average. There are 4 main factors to range: topography, driving style, climate control settings, and temperature. Topography. As you go uphill, your vehicle uses more energy. As you go downhill, your vehicle uses less energy, and your range will increase. Driving style. Electric cars are logical. The faster you drive, the more energy you use. The slower you drive, the less energy you use. Climate control settings. If you use the air conditioner or the heater, you will burn through your energy, and your range will be reduced. Temperature. As temperature increases, your range will also increase. Which factor plays the largest role in range? It's actually temperature that will play the largest role in your range. So, if you travel through the desert, or if you move to a warmer climate, your range should increase.